This is the assembly video for the MWC2730 microwave wall cabinet. This cabinet comes in one box only. It comes with the back panel, the top panel, the middle shelf, the side panels, hardware box, and bottom microwave panel. Place the frame face down on a cloth. Screw cam lock screws to the frame in the pre-drilled holes. Place the side panels on the cam lock screws. Place dowels in the middle shelf and install with the painted side facing down. Place dowels in the top panel and install with the cam lock hole facing up. Screw through the side panels into the top and middle panel. Now place dowels in the microwave shelf and install as such. Then, place cam locks and secure the panels to the frame. Remember, we left one side panel loose so that we can slide and install our back panel now. Screw the rest of the panels through the pre-drilled holes. Now to install the doors. Screw the hinges to the door via the pre-drilled holes. This is called a jig. It's a block of wood clamped to the frame, which makes it easier to install the doors. Set your door on the block or ensure it's flush on the bottom of the frame and install the doors, using a cardboard piece as a spacer. Do the same for the other door as well. And remember, you can adjust your door positioning on the hinge itself. Don't forget to place your rubber bumpers, and we're done. One American-style MWC2730 microwave wall cabinet ready for installation.